This is the DeLonghi Nespresso machine, and it makes fantastic coffee using these small pods. Problem is though, a lot of people find that the coffee isn't quite hot enough to really enjoy a good cup of coffee. Now the machine itself does a good job. It uses the exact temperature to get the correct amount of flavour from your coffee. If it's too hot, it will burn the coffee, and if it's too cold, you won't get the correct flavour to be released from the pod. The problem lies in your cup, because the cup is actually quite cold inside. So in here, you've got quite a lot of cold surfaces. So when the coffee goes into the cup, it obviously cools the coffee down. Now if you go to a proper barista with a proper coffee machine, they will have the cups on top of the machine keeping warm. So the secret to great coffee is having a warm cup to begin with. So a good thing to do is to warm your cup up first. So if you've got a kettle, put some boiling water in it, or if you've got one of these hot water taps, just use one of these hot water taps like so. So once you've got your cup warmed up, leave it for a few minutes with the boiling water in, and maybe, well, even if it's just 30 seconds or so, all you're trying to do is take the chill off the cup. Once you've done that, simply pour the water away, and now you've got your hot cup. Make your coffee as you normally would. And there you should now have the perfect temperature coffee in a cup that's nice and warm and hot. So you've still got a lovely hot cup of coffee. Perfect. Cheers. After you've had your coffee as well, you'll find there's a little yellow light on the top there that says clean. So to clean this machine, if you've got one similar to this, there's a button you press. But you don't just press the button, you hold the button in. So you hold the button in and it does a full cleaning cycle, as I'll show you now. And it's cleaned all the jets and all the difficult areas to get to where the milk comes out. You can just tip the water away afterwards. Or remember to put this in the fridge, because if you don't, you'll find that'll be like yogurt in a few hours in the heat. It's amazing. It makes very good yogurt, but I wouldn't recommend using it for a yogurt machine. Put it in the fridge, keep your milk fresh.